Geobyte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the answers for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams like SSC, Civil Services, CDS, RRB, NDA, etc. Since all these problems I collected from different competitive exams, you can treat each and every question is equally important. I collected all these questions for the topic of rivers and lakes of India. Let us take the very first question. Look at the very first question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. At the location of which city in Assam the river Brahmaputra goes south, bound breaking away from its westward course and enters into Bangladesh. Option A Bongaigan, option B Tejpur, option C Dubri, option D Barpeta. The correct answer is option C Dubri. Let us move to the next question. Look at the second question asked for SSC exam in the year 2020 like this. In which context of rivers and their tributaries, which of the following pairs is correct? Option A Alakananda Pindar, option B Indus Subansiri, option C Godavari Kabini, option D Krishna Manjira. The correct answer is option A Alakananda Pindar. Let us move to the next question. Look at the third question asked for SSC exam in the year 2020 like this. The Dash Lake in Gujarat was an artificial reservoir built during the rule of Mauryas. Option A Loktak, option B Sudarshana, option C Pushkar, option D Lonar. The correct answer is option B Sudarshana. Let us move to the fourth question. Look at the fourth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which of the following rivers has its origin in Mahabaleshwar? Option A Krishna, option B Tapti, option C Narmada, option D Kaveri. The correct answer is option A Krishna. Let us move to the next question. Look at the fifth question asked in the year 2020 for SSC exam like this. Which of the following rivers flows through Tirutani, a famous pilgrimage place of South India? Option A Vegai, option B Palar, option C Kaveri, option D Nandi. The correct answer is option D Nandi. The next question is, look at the sixth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. The Netravati river flows through which of the following cities? Option A, Karwar. Option B, Mangaluru. Option C, Bangalore. Option D, Shivamogga. The correct answer is option B, Mangaluru. Let us move to the seventh question. Look at the seventh question asked for SSC exam in the year 2020 like this. Which of the following is an east flowing river? Option A, Sabarmati. Option B, Saraswati. Option C, Mahi. Option D, Brahmani. The correct answer is option D, Brahmani. The next question is, look at the eighth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. The Kaveri River rises in option A, the Brahmagiri Hills. Option B, the Trayambak Hills. Option C, the Amarkantak Plateau. Option D, Mahabaleshwar. The correct answer is option A, the Brahmagiri Hills. Let us move to the ninth question. Look at the ninth question also asked for SSC exam in the year 2020 like this. The city of Vijayawada lies on the bank of which of these rivers? Option A, Godavari. Option B, Mahanadi. Option C, Tapti. Option D, Krishna. The correct answer is option D, Krishna. Let us move to the next question. Look at the 10th question asked for SSC exam in the year 2013 like this. The longest river of Europe is option A, Rhine. Option B, Rhone. Option C, Danube. Option D, Volga. The correct answer is option D, Volga. The next question is, look at the 11th question asked in the year 2017 for NDA exam like this. Where is Mekong Delta located? Option A, Thailand. Option B, Cambodia. Option C, Myanmar. Option D, Vietnam. The correct answer is option D, Vietnam. Let us move to the next question. Look at the 12th question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which river passes through maximum number of countries? Option A, Rhine. Option B, Danube. Option C, Amazon. Option D, Olga. The correct answer is option B, Danube. The next question is, look at the 13th question asked in the year 2016 for SSC exam like this. The term Doab means option A land between mountains. Option B, a land between two lakes. Option C, a land between two rivers. Option D, a land between two seas. The correct answer is option C, a land between two rivers. Let us move to the 14th question. Look at the 14th question asked for RRB exam in the year 2008 like this. Which of the following is the largest river in the world? Option A, Amazon. Option B, Nile. Option C, Mississippi. Option D, Danube. The correct answer is option B, Nile. Let us move to the last question. Look at the last question asked for SSC exam in the year 2016 like this. What process takes place during the youthful stage of a river? Option A, valley widening. Option B, river rejuvenating. Option C, valley deepening. Option D, meandering. The correct answer is option C, valley deepening. With this, my dear friends, I am concluding this video. In the next video, we will discuss the answers for important questions which were given in different competitive exams under the course of general knowledge. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.